Good morning, class. So, how is everyone doing lately? I hope everyone is healthy and keep on being motivated to learn new things every day. And as for today, we are going to learn about a term which is globalization. It is pronounced as Sakaru Penejagam in our language. So first thing first, we need to know about its definition. Globalization means the speed up of movement and exchanges, including human being, goods, services, capital, technology, all cultural practices all over the world. And one of the effects of globalization is that it promotes and increases interaction between different regions and population around the globe. According to WHO, globalization can be defined as the increased interconnectedness and interdependence of people and countries. It is generally understood to include two interrelated elements. So the first one is the opening of international borders to increasingly fast flow of goods, services, finance, people, and ideas, and the changes in the institution and policy at national as well as international level that facilitate and promote such flows. So is there any concern or question regarding the definition, or does anyone having a hard time pronouncing the term? So if there's nothing, we shall take a look into some history of the globalization. So the most visible impacts of globalization are definitely the one affected the economic world. Globalization has led to a sharp increase in trade and economic exchanges, but also to a multiplication of financial exchanges. For instance, in the 1970s, world economy opened up and the development of free trade policy accelerated the globalization phenomenon. And between the 1950 and 2010, world export increased 33-fold. This significantly contributed to the increasing of the interaction between different regions of the world. Also, this acceleration of economic exchanges has led to a strong global economic growth. It has fostered as well as rapid global industrial development that has allowed the rapid development of many technology and commodity that we have all available nowadays. Moreover, the knowledge become much more easily shared, and as for international cooperation among the practice minds speeded things up. According to some analysis, we can see that globalization has also contributed to improving global economic condition, creating much economic wealth, so on and so forth. Due to the time constraint, we shall continue the class in the next day, and I hope everyone get a clearer understanding under the term of globalization. So this is the end of the class. Thank you for paying attention.